5 fears women have during intercourse. For some women, intercourse is a passionate moment that strengthens closeness with a partner. However, not all women feel the same way. Some actually feel anxious, uncomfortable, and even afraid during intercourse. This fear can stem from bad experiences, lack of confidence, or social pressure that makes it difficult for them to enjoy intimate moments. This fear is not something trivial. If left unchecked, they can impact relationship satisfaction and even lead to deeper emotional problems. So, what are the fears that women often experience during intercourse? Here are 5 of the most common ones. Number 1. Fear of not being able to orgasm. Orgasm is the pinnacle of pleasure in intercourse. However, many women have difficulty achieving it. Studies show that about 75–90% of women cannot orgasm consistently during intercourse, and about 5–10% never experience it at all. There are many factors that trigger this condition, ranging from stress, anxiety, to lack of communication with the partner. The fear of not being able to reach orgasm can make women even more tense, making it even more difficult to enjoy it. The solution? Build emotional closeness with your partner. Communicate your desires, and give more time for foreplay so that the body is better prepared. Number 2. Fear of not satisfying your partner. It's not just men who feel anxious about their performance in bed. Women often experience the same thing. They are afraid of not being able to please their partner, afraid of being perceived as inexperienced, or afraid of not being able to keep up with their partner's rhythm. These fears usually arise due to social pressure and unrealistic expectations. In fact, intimate relationships are not just about performance, but about how couples understand each other and enjoy the moment together. If these anxieties are too bothersome, talking to your partner or consulting a sexologist can be a solution to overcome these fears. Number 3. Fear of pain during intercourse. Pain during intercourse is one of the biggest fears of women. Conditions like vaginismus, where the muscles around the intimate area contract involuntarily, can cause excruciating pain. There is also the fear that penetration will be painful due to a bad first experience, or because the body is not ready. To overcome this pain, it is important to ensure that the body is relaxed, use lubricant if needed, and take extra time for foreplay. If the pain persists, consulting a doctor or therapist may be the best step. Number 4. Fear of being judged by your partner. Many women actually have certain fantasies or desires in intercourse, but they are afraid to express them for fear of being considered strange or inappropriate by their partner. This fear of being judged can make them hold back, making intercourse less enjoyable. In fact, open communication with your partner is the key to a healthy relationship. If there's something you want to try, talk about it slowly and see how your partner responds. When there is trust and mutual understanding, this fear can diminish on its own. Number 5. Fear of not looking good. My body shape is not perfect. What if he doesn't like it? This is a thought that often haunts women during intercourse. Lack of body confidence can make women feel uncomfortable, embarrassed, or even reluctant to have intercourse at all. This fear is often influenced by unrealistic beauty standards. However, it is not the shape of the body that matters in intercourse, but how one feels about themselves. Improving self-confidence and accepting your body as it is can help overcome these fears, so that you can enjoy your moments with your partner more. Fear during intercourse is normal, but that doesn't mean it should be ignored. By understanding the causes and communicating with your partner, these fears can be overcome little by little. A healthy intercourse is not just about the physical, but also about emotional comfort and trust in each other. If you or your partner are experiencing these fears, don't hesitate to talk and find solutions together. Remember, intimacy is not something to be feared, but something to be enjoyed in a healthy and loving way. I hope this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell me your opinion in the comments column. If you like this video, please join our channel. May we always be given health and happiness.